rises, it sunders into two halves, pleasant and woman, far, far away. She sits into it majestically. She looks at us and wonders, where are those people? Where are those people? What were the creatures like before they got into the whirlwind of hate? She cries, she falls asleep, she dreams. How the people would look like